Migao mar thieth e kaunti ma Migori ochako chenro mar chwalo thieth ka itiyo kod lony manyasani. Jatend migao mar thieth e kaunti ma Migori Kaleb Opondi wacho ni giseyudo masinde 529 ma gidhi tiyo godo e ute thieth 80 e kaunti ma Migori. Opondi wacho ni jochiw thieth bende oseyudo tiegruok makare e yor tiyo kod masinde gi. Omedo bende ni kaunti no kaluwore kod chenro ma kamago osegoyo kenge makare mar jiwo thieth ne jopiny.
I want to say that as a county, we are gearing towards digitalization of all our health facilities. And in this regard, we have distributed 529 tablets to digitize our public health facilities. Phase 2, 167 healthcare workers who are trained, and a total of 422 healthcare workers who are trained on Taifa Care Tibabu. And the devices have also been received, and the department has received 529 tablets, as I had said earlier, to support digitization. And in the initial phase, we piloted 17 health facilities, and the second phase, we are rolling out additional 80 facilities. We shall not be seeing patients working with the papers from one service point to the other. And even the long time of waiting by the patients will be drastically reduced.